Breaker, breaker, 19, breaker, breaker, 19. Breaker, breaker, 19, breaker, breaker, 19. Chicken cools rolling you across on your side.
Without an 18-wheeler pushing low state to state, you can order something, wonder why it's 6 weeks late. Many women moving big weight, we call freight across the interstate, switching gears night and day to keep the shelf full. So me and you can go and get it, And sleeping in your truck is something different, Away from home and your family. You ever been away from home for 10 weeks trying to book a load and hook a load and drop a load? 60-foot truck and trailer coming down the road. And I ain't never seen a broke driver, but I done seen people get up in that truck and make that dollar. Truckers make the world go round. Truckers make the world go round. I'm trying to book a load and hook a load and drop a load. Do my pre-trip, start my laws, now it's time to roll. Truckers make the world go round. Truckers make the world go round. I'm trying to book a load and hook a load and drop a load. Do my pre-trip, start my laws, now it's time to roll. When you see me coming, I'm coming. Get out the way. I need a quarter mile to pump my brakes. Disrespect the truck and you can ride behind me. I ain't got nothing but time in front of me. Truck ride different when I'm heading back home. 400 more miles once again and it's on. Rest in peace to all the drivers that died. Mayonnaise and the mustards keep us safe in them lines. A lot of lows don't be paying me right. But a broker ain't nothing but a thief in the night. Taking half the money on load when I'm the main one driving my truck on the road. Cause I'm a trucker. Truckers make the world go round. Truckers make the world go round. I'm trying to book a load and hook a load and drop a load. Do my pre-trip, start my laws, now it's time to roll. Truckers make the world go round. Truckers make the world go round. I'm trying to book a load and hook a load and drop a load. Do my pre-trip, start my laws, now it's time to roll. Blue Parrot headset, it's in my ear. I'm driving, but I can hear you loud and clear. D.O.T. just got behind me. They want to shut me down because my ELDs. COVID-19 got the world in the house. Essential workers, reaping what that's all about. How you think them doctors and them nurses got them gloves? Truck driver brought it. Did y'all show us love? Just give us respect. You know what we do for our checks. What's the world without a truck driver? What's the world without a truck driver?